Today I wanted to talk about probably the easiest form of fitness for beginners to get into. It requires zero equipment and it is free. What could be better than that? Okay, so today we are going to look at the 8 benefits of running. Okay, so here we go. Running for even the shortest amount of time, I'm talking like 5 to 10 minutes here, greatly reduces your risk of cardiovascular disease. Every time you run, you decrease your heart's resting rate, meaning that your heart doesn't have to work as hard. Every time you run, you're pounding the pavement, you're putting stress on the cartilage and the joints, and just like your muscles, they will spring back stronger. Running requires a lot of calories. In fact, the average 150-pound person will burn about 12.2 calories per minute. The biggest muscles in your entire body are all in your legs. I'm talking about your inner and outer thighs, your glutes, your quads, your hamstrings, your calves, and running works all of them. Whatever time constraints that you have in your life, whether you're a busy parent or a busy professional, everybody has 10 minutes. And that's all you need to fit in this workout. Running can be used as a form of meditation in action. It is a huge misconception that we need to be laying down and clearing our head to reach a meditative state. So why not get out, hit the pavement, and use running as a form of mindful practice. You could start running today. You don't need any equipment. You don't need an expensive gym membership. Just put on your trainers, get off your lazy arse, and go out for a run today. And best of all, it is absolutely free, and who doesn't like free stuff? So, what are you waiting for? And there you have it. So, if you're just starting out in fitness, why not try our 30-day running challenge for beginners? The link to the program is in the description at the bottom, so click the link and you can get started right now. Okay, take it easy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I would much appreciate it to help me grow the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, take it easy.